Muslim versus Christians part 2. This one they very hot, and they bring her right from Bishop David Oyedepo. Oh, my people, this one now, in fact, I wish I fit call am part 4, but make we leave am for part 2. The matter now don elevate. Una remember say before, they even dey fight. Say Christian school, Muslim school. Una remember? This one now another upgraded version of it. And our Bishop Oyedepo don come aside now, come dey warn all the Muslims, because now Muslims they demand the wearing of hijab. Listen, Muslims they demand, they want make a compulsory wearing of hijab in some missionary schools, and this one they for Kwara State. And according to him, he thought say make Muslims leave the missionary school owners, make he leave schools alone for the school owners. Say make they go build their own school, make they go open their own school, and make they stop to dey put finger inside people's eyes. May they find that. In fact, the man he talk. If I start like this, I no go fit finish am. So I want make una hear am with una own ear, see am with una own eye. Make we watch Bishop Oyedepo.
Such a nasty development in Kwara State, where Muslims are asking for their students in our schools to wear hijab, and the church said no. I've never seen a place in my life where a tenant will be decreeing for the landlord. I've never seen. I'm an artist. You know the reason why? We have never shown the world the other side of God. God is not a toy.
Yes, sir.
He said the Lord is a consuming fire.
Yes, sir.
Let's show them the consuming fire of God.
Yes.
The consuming fire part of God.
Yes, sir.
They need to know. And Aproko, leave the schools for the owner. Go to your school. Is there any fight? Bonopa, Krete Sanoka, wash again. Stop putting finger in the eyes of others.
Because my first correction where I want make now for people where they thought say Bishop Oyedepo thought say fire will consume them, Muslim people. I beg, this man no talk am. I don't know why una like they change matter. He no talk am. Wetin he talk be say make Muslims stop the condemn. Make Muslims stop the impose hijab wearing for Christian school. Now wetin he talk. He no talk say fire go consume anybody. I beg make una first drop that one. So back to wetin I want talk. I beg my question now be say wetin dey wrong now with wetin this man talk. Now my question. So if you know wetin dey wrong, because make you correct me, because me I no dey say anything wey dey wrong. I don tell you na this matter before. If you dey wetin dey call am Rome, you need to behave like Romans. First of all, no, it is very important. If you dey Rome, abeg behave like Romans. You no fit go Rome, then behave like wetin I go even use Nigerians. E no dey possible. And you no fit go another person school, another person territory, go dey demand wetin you want. Wetin? I no understand. I don tire for the. Una wan make people kill themselves because una exist. Make they kill themselves because una exist. If you want, see, listen carefully. If you want to attend missionary school, I dey talk to una Muslims now, una know say una dey involved inside this matter. If you know say you want to attend missionary school, don't wear hijab. It is not allowed. How many of Muslim school go allow Christians come their school without hijab? We now know how Christians see. Sometimes you go just wear your wig cap. Sometimes you go just do attachments, and sometimes we even they use different color of hair. We are not. I not just dey understand. You know, she said they be two different words. There are two different words. As a Christian cannot come to a Muslim school putting on an orange wig cap, it is not allowed. They go send you back. The same thing, a Muslim cannot go to a Christian school wearing hijab. See, this one, I know what make it look like, say, they defend one person, I know they defend another person. Now, the fact, I be landlady, I build my house, and I decide to make it 2-story building. You they can't rent house. You can't tell me, say, I need to remove the one way they up because you don't like story building. Go and rent in another place. Which one can't be the problem for this? This thing no need bring many problems. The mathematics here, it is very simple. The landlord build the school. The buyer of the land comes to buy the land. The same buyer of the land decides what to do with the land. If it's a Christian school, I'm going to leave him now. Now, these people don't talk. See, if we not take time, this thing, the kind of war we will become. Now, it's still people talking. Now, it's just talk. When the real war starts, when this real war, it don't happen before. Many years ago, it happened before, if you not remember. But now, they bring her. See, now this thing, they bring me to the conclusion, say, Nigeria is about to be normalized. Yes. They want to turn Nigeria to northerners, a be Muslim country. I not just understand. What is wrong with Christians going to their school and Muslims going to their school? Since nobody is ready to abide with each other person's law. Make we even assume now they allow Muslims enter the missionary school. Make we just assume. Una go gree read Bible. No, now these things we supposed to think. When they give you assignment, you go gree. No, you go gree read Bible. Or you go impose. Say, okay, now we are inside. Let the Quran start. Why have you people decided to bring war? To bring war? Please, open your school. Abi build your school. If you like, let your male students, the boys, let them too wear hijab if you not like. That one no concern anybody. You understand? They feel even wear the boys too. May they start a cover if you not like. I'm not. It's not our business. Nobody go even come your school. Can't tell you say this one. But please let it be in your school. All of una way they don't say this one. After all, not be the same. God, not be the same. Who tell una? Who tell una? First of all, with the whole reaction that is happening, you are supposed to know. These two religions are be waiting. They know they collabo. They are two different. They are two sides of a coin. These two things. First of all, Christians, they acknowledge Jesus. They pray in the name of Jesus. Muslims, I don't know. I beg, make una forgive me. I know they insult anybody. I just not the truth. I don't know. But I don't get friends who be Muslims. And they've confirmed it. They know they mention Jesus. So when I know they say they be two different things. When I know they say the fact alone, say, I will say people's eyes feel just open because this thing go bring problem. And I will say, when I feel just understand this matter, I just wish. So I beg. I know they see anything wrong with this man talk. I don't know, maybe we not hear another thing, but please, they talk based on the hijab matter, may they go build their own school. I know they see anything wrong because if Christians and Muslims start one school, the next thing one I go see, I no go like them. So it better make we settle this thing now. If they agree, my people no go like them. First of all, discrimination go there. Secondly, fight every day. And that thing no go be school again. It go turn war camp. Where people they go to exercise their punches. Now wait, before you know, now bomb go involve. Person don't blast one place. 100 people have died. Now the next thing one, I know what they talk. You understand? So please, there are two different people. There are two different set of people. If you not like, tell me this one. If you not like, talk that one. If you not like this one, you not concern me. My one be say, they even talk am. Now, what did they call her? Jesus Day. There are people day. You understand? So we are different. Make una first understand that one. And I know I believe anybody they wasting time because I cannot even talk that one because before they talk say I don't start. Please, my people, make una take time. Take una time. Now why una need help me share this video? Because these people need to understand, say, nobody wants war. Nobody wants to fight. And we can settle this thing amicably. Very, very important. You understand? I beg. So, Biko, help me share this thing. May everybody know, say, I will make I not talk past this one. Because my people, subscribe if you never subscribe and share this video. Drop your comments. I'm not saying this one. I go hear and hot. But anyhow, still drop her. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.